Hello, let's take a very important concept, that is operation on set. So basically in this chapter we are going to discuss two operation on set. One is called as union, denoted by this symbol which looks like U, and next is intersection, which is denoted by this symbol, right? So two operations we are going to discuss, union and intersection, and in bracket we can see symbol for union and intersection. So first of all, let's understand what do we mean by union, right? By the name, union means it is nothing but the collection of everything, right? So definition is collection of all the elements of the set A and B is called as a union. It is written as, if two sets are A and B and we have to find union, it is written as A, then we put this sign, that is nothing but of sign of union, B. So we write A union B, where this is a symbol of union. Now let's take an example. Suppose two sets are given to us in roster form. Set A whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B whose elements are 2, 3, 7, 8. Now if we want to write union of these two sets represented by A union B, by definition it says that we need to do collection of all the elements. That means we have to write all the elements of both the set A and B, right? So let's see how exactly we are going to do. So first element is 1, so we write 1 over here. Then we observe 2 is present in both set, but we will not write 2 times because repetition is not allowed. We'll write 2 only one time. Then we write 3. Again it is written 2 times, but we'll write only one time. Then we have 4, then we have 5, then we have 7, and last we have 8. Therefore A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So what exactly we need to do in union? We have to write all the elements of both the set, but repetition is not allowed. That means collection of all the elements. Now next is intersection. Intersection means we have to write only common element. So the common element of set A and set B, it is written as A intersection B, where symbol for intersection will be this. So we read it as A intersection B, and we have to write only common element. That means same element which are present in both set. So we'll take an example. Suppose A is given as in roster form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is given in roster form as 2, 3, 7, 8. We'll take same example. But now we are going to find A intersection B. If we want to find A intersection B, we have to write only common element, and if you observe both set, 2 is common. It is present in both set, as well as 3 is common. So we write A intersection B is equals to 2, 3. So that completes your operation on set union and intersection. Union means collection of all the elements without repetition, and intersection means we have to write only common elements. Now if we take one more example, that is set P whose elements are 1, 3, 5, and set Q whose elements are 2, 8. And if we just find their intersection, that means we want to write only common element. So we say that P intersection Q is equals to, if you observe both set, nothing is common, all the elements are different. That means it is an empty set. And remember child one thing, whenever intersection of two set is an empty set, that two set are called as disjoint set. So we write P and Q, that is set P and set Q are called as disjoint set because their intersection is empty set. So let's revise everything. Union means collection of all the elements without repetition. Intersection means we have to write only common element. And if intersection of two event is empty set, that two set are said to be an disjoint set.